This brush cutter comes with a specially designed detachable handlebar, which can be locked or adjusted without tools. This makes the brush cutter easy to store in your shed or garage. Its engine is an environmentally hybrid power system and meets Euro 5 emission standards. The equipment itself has perfect balance and can deal with various working conditions, all while remaining comfortable for the user. It is also equipped with a quick release device, which increases its security. Our professional gas chainsaw features a single-cylinder, air force-cooled, 2-stroke engine which is strong and stable. It allows easy access to the air filter for cleaning, maintenance, and replacement. The air filter can effectively filter foreign matter in the air, minimizing wear and tear when the machine is running. This type of chainsaw is widely used in forest harvesting and wood processing applications.